Only a few vehicles stand the test of time, but one pickup has become a symbol of strength, style, and pure American soul. This is the 1963 C10. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. Today, I'm bringing you into the heart of American steel, raw grit, and timeless style as we dive into the story of the 1963 Chevrolet C10 Pickup Truck, a machine that didn't just haul loads, it hauled an era into a new age of design, power, and personality. So sit back, relax, and let the world of classic trucks wash over you, because this isn't just a simple walk around or a simple narration. This is a cinematic journey into a legend that helped shape the blueprint for modern pickups. Imagine a time when trucks weren't packed with screens and digital signatures. Instead, they were built to last, built to work, and built with the kind of soul you simply can't recreate today. The 1963 Chevy C10 stands as a symbol of that golden age, the very moment when Chevrolet decided pickups could be more than utility vehicles. They could be stylish, they could be comfortable, they could be desirable. And the 63 C10, with its sculpted lines, sweeping body contours, and unmistakable stance, proves exactly that. As you look at this truck, notice how clean and confident the body is. This was the final year of the first generation of CK trucks, and Chevrolet wanted to leave an impression. The forward-leaning front end gives it an aggressive character even at a standstill, the type of presence that tells you this machine was built with intention. The body panels had a more refined aerodynamic feel compared to earlier designs, and the signature knee-knocker wraparound windshield, a unique trait of 1960-63 models, widened visibility and added personality. Purists love it, collectors chase it, and enthusiasts everywhere instantly recognize it. Under the hood, you could get an inline-six or a small block V8, and while the numbers weren't gigantic by today's standards, the reliability was unmatched. These engines were the kind that would start every morning, every season, every decade, if you gave them just a little respect. The 283 V8 especially proved itself as one of Chevrolet's most durable and widely loved power plants, giving the C10 enough muscle for towing, hauling, or just cruising down the boulevard. And you better believe that boulevard cruising was something Chevy owners took seriously in the 60s. But what really set the 1963 C10 apart was its revolutionary suspension. Instead of sticking to the old-school leaf springs, Chevrolet introduced an independent front suspension system that brought unheard-of smoothness to the pickup world. This wasn't a farm truck anymore. This was a vehicle you could genuinely enjoy driving, a truck that handled more like a car than any pickup people had known before. That single innovation set the tone for decades of ride comfort improvements, and today's trucks, with their luxurious near SUV quality rides, owe a huge debt to pioneers like the 1636 C10. Inside the cabin, simplicity met strength. No confusing dials, no unnecessary gadgets. Just a clean dashboard, durable materials, and the kind of analog beauty that makes you appreciate how straightforward life used to be. Slide behind the wheel and the large steering wheel feels like a command center. The long bench seat invites you into a place where many road trips began and many stories were born, from family memories to workday beginnings to sunset cruises after long weeks. If this truck could speak, it would have thousands of stories, and every creak of the suspension, every rumble of the engine feels like a heartbeat whispering part of its past. The C10 wasn't just transportation, it became a lifestyle. It became a part of American culture. From farms to small towns to big city construction sites, this truck was everywhere. People trusted it, depended on it, and formed lifelong attachments to it. And today, the nostalgia is stronger than ever. You'll find restored examples at car shows gleaming brighter than the day they rolled off the assembly line. Custom builds that push modern boundaries while keeping the original spirit alive. patina survivors that wear every scratch and sun fade like a badge of honor. This truck has transformed from a workhorse into a collectible masterpiece. And one of the most beautiful things about the 1963 C10 is its versatility. Whether slammed to the pavement on air suspension, restored to bone stock authenticity, or turned into a modern Restomod beast with LS power and upgraded brakes, the truck adapts, it evolves, it becomes exactly what its owner dreams it to be. Very few classic vehicles have that level of flexibility while still maintaining such a strong identity. That's why this machine remains a favorite across generations. So today, as you look at this iconic pickup, remember that you're not just looking at a truck, you're looking at a chapter in American automotive history, a piece of engineering innovation, a symbol of craftsmanship, a blueprint for modern pickups. The 1963 Chevrolet C10 isn't just metal, rubber, and glass. It's a legacy rolling on four wheels. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. If you love legendary rides, timeless classics, and the kind of vehicles that change the world 1 mile at a time, then stay tuned. More automotive treasures are coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's next.